Alright guys, we're heading out to Costco.
Look, it's Chef. Look, after the pain, used to struggle to maintain. Dealt with the rain, now they say every song bang. We had to strike through hella trauma just to see the light. I owe it to my folks to hustle till they eating right. They need the lights, meanwhile I only need the mic to get this pain off of my chest so I be breathing right. This ain't for me, I represent my whole squad of folks. Bird bash back when the tank for the high water broke. Egg sandwich, tuna sandwich, chip sandwich too. Cut it down to quarters just to split it with my crew.
Good morning everybody, it is currently 6:50 in the morning on Saturday and I'm on my way to get a oil change. It's pretty early, but when I plan to do things, I plan to do things early so I have the rest of the day to But yeah, come with me and get an oil change this morning.
It's Chef. Look, after the pain, used to struggle to maintain. Dealt with the rain, now they say every song bang. We had to strike through hella trauma just to see the light. I owe it to my folks to hustle till they eating right. They need the lights, meanwhile I only need the mic to get this pain off of my chest so I be breathing right. This ain't for me, I represent my whole squad of folks. Bird bash back when the tank for the high water broke. Egg sandwich, tuna sandwich, chip sandwich too. Cut it down to quarters just to split it with my crew. Counting up the quarters in McDonald's drive-through, sweet tea. Everybody waterfall, it will be cool. The struggle made me appreciate. We came from less, it was motivation to be great. So
I'm trying to get used to talking to the camera. The guy's coming right now to ask me what I need, so I'm gonna put you guys down right here. Morning. I just need an oil change.
Oil change? Okay. Give me 1 second. Let me move a couple things out of the way. We'll get you pulled in. It'll be a few minutes.
Okay. All right, guys. It's currently 6:51. Oh, I don't know why it doesn't want to show. Whatever. 6:51. About an hour later, and I'm back home. Gonna get the kids ready and go on about our day. All right, guys. We're heading out to Costco.
What's up, guys? Going to Costco. Come on with us.
We have pictures that we're supposed to send for Christmas to Willie's brothers, Thaya and Sam, and Tina, that never made it out. But if you guys still want your pictures, we'll send them. Comment below, okay? If you still want them. But these are the pictures, our Christmas pictures. They're magnets, so you can still put it on your fridge if you want. But
Or your car.
or your car. They're not gonna fit in their car.
So they can travel around. Hey, look at my brother.
But sorry about that, guys. We'll send it out soon. We sent our picture along with the girls when they went to Samoa for your grandma. But these ones never made it out. But we will try to get them out soon. Here at Costco. Ready to get a few things at Costco. Get a free throw blanket just for applying for the Costco Anywhere card. You guys got it? No, thank you. Okay, you guys have a good day. You too.
Weird.
I'm the friend that
do you need, Mina?
I am
Mina.
Miller. Okay.
Okay, move. No. Is that the sweet radish one they were talking about yesterday?
Can I have some?
You didn't even eat the other stuff that you bought. The pork stuff.
Oh yeah, this is radish.
Okay. Is it sweet?
Crisp and tangy. So we got some kimchi. Well, I'm getting radish. What else?
What is that?
Chocolate. It's an Italian dessert, and it's in like these little glasses.
12.
Dubai style chocolate. Did you record you getting the chicken?
What chicken?
We're chicken, yeah? Chicken. Here, babe. Chicken thighs. Chicken thighs.
Maybe two of those.
What
Look at
are
that
we-
next to you. Yeah, right there.
Right here?
Yeah.
Sorry, son.
Get this way, son. That's it.
Right. Got pork belly. So what?
A little chicken.
Oh, just one then. Got ribbies. Oh, you can't do that. I thought you meant the rotisserie. I thought you meant the
I
thighs.
said rotisserie.
Oh. I want fish. To the bakery section right now because I need some baked goods. I know. I'm trying not to care. Okay, babe, can you not point it out? I know. I seen it from my peripheral.
Big ass food. Big ass food.
Croissants, babe. Croissants and some fruit. Cold cooler. What is this? Longan? What is that? Anybody know what this is? I have no idea. Yeah, kiwi berries? Never heard of it. Looks good though. We have to get blackberries because my daughter loves berries, all kinds of berries.
Can we go down?
You trying to look for it?
Some salad kits. This one. I like this one. I like this salad. And I like these as well. Sold it. $90. Look at Look at how much this is, babe.
I'm hungry.
This is $90.
$90 for what?
For 4 ribeye
Four?
steaks.
Dang.
We don't buy steaks pretty much at all.
Hell no.
It is not in our budget. So we stick to chicken and pork because of that price.
To make our own fun.
Yeah.
Look at all this meat.
We love the chicken apple sausage
Yeah.
and the chicken pineapple one too. Here. These are so good too. These are the teriyaki meatballs. So good. Ooh, yum pupusas. Oh, that's butter chicken with rice. Protein crunch bar. Look at these peanut chocolate chip protein crunch bars. Oh, look, babe, they got oysters. Well, I ain't gonna eat that whole thing by myself. You want to eat it? Contemplating. Nah, not worth it.
I was gonna eat this maybe 1 or 2.
Yeah. Oh, and look, they're on sale for $5.49. Yes, I love that. Here. $10.99. Oi. For dipping sausage. Turkey for turkey sandwiches? This is the best turkey. It's kind of expensive, but it's really good. Pizza.
What about me? I'm hungry.
Cheese pizza?
Yeah. I'm
Okay.
starving.
Oh, cheese pizza. Okay. Some breakfast sausage. Favorite. Look at kimchi crisp.
Where?
What? What in the? That sounds good. These are the impossible ones. We're gonna try these. I just tasted the jackfruit. The
wasn't bad.
jackfruit. It wasn't bad, but it wasn't good either. So
I like it. Tastes like banana. Sweet banana.
yeah, with a hint of something. I don't know what that something is, but
For a big bacon. There you go. There you go.
bruh, I'm so weak. I'm so weak.
Good for the muscle.
Willie drinks honey because he's a bear.
Ooh.
Dad.
A grizzly bear.
Mom, can we get out of
Fresh
here
out of
now?
hibernation.
Which cereal do you
cereal?
guys want?
Pick the cereal.
Look over here.
Over here.
I just put I want that one.
This one.
Which one, son?
Lucky Charms.
All right, we're getting Lucky Charms.
You don't want
I want that one.
that one?
No, I want this one.
Oh, it's so fast.
Every Samoan household has soy sauce. This specific kind of soy sauce, or aloha shoyu, but they don't have it here at Costco. Well, not at our Costco. Huh? We always need Spam because my son loves Spam, but we're gonna get the less sodium. I don't know how much of a difference it makes, but look at this guy. How you doing?
You ever tried this?
Had a lot of people tell me.
Mom, let's get what we need to
You have a
get.
good one.
You're getting too old, man. Totally. My son is getting buried. We gotta go. We gotta go, right? It's too heavy for you?
Yes.
Okay, come on. Let's get out of here.
Get out. I gotta get out of here. Ah, ow, ooh, ooh. Ow, ow, ow.
Look, these are the beans that I see on TikTok.
Don't you get?
These are the beans that I see on TikTok where they eat with the potato.
Oh yeah, they like the Britain people.
Yeah, look, made in England. The British recipe. We should try it.
Yeah, we should.
How much is it? $7.99? Oh, that's not bad. Let's just try it.
So, like,
What's wrong with you?
The blood are gonna come in my head.
You got dried boogers on your nose.
Better.
The damage is $453.87. We'll probably do a Costco haul when we get home. They got this new double mint swirl, double mint chocolate. Get that, and let me get one calzone, two, and my son's that, and 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this is good. Eating lunch. Costco lunch. The best lunch for the
Lunch.
good bang. What did you say? Bang for your buck. And I got the double mint chocolate swirl. Look how big this thing is. Oh, let me turn it the other. Willie don't like pizza. He don't like cheese. He don't like anything good.
How is you not? I don't like you.
No, he loved me.
Oh yeah, dude. I ain't gonna lie.
I don't want to take this stuff out.